वेलकम बैक टू कोटेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं सर्विस डायरेक्टरी क्विक स्टार्ट लैब। सो क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। नेक्स्ट हम इसे इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। इससे हमारा क्लाउड कंसोल ओपन हो जाएगा एंड देन वी हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक आई एग्री एंड देन अग्री टू कंटिन्यू। Remove the tutorial from here. After it is done, come back here. Go to the task one. So first we have to search for network services and enable the service directory API. So we'll directly copy the service directory API, paste it here in the search box. Here it is. Click on it. Now click enable. And the API is enabled. After this, we have to click on registered service in the service directory page. Here is the service directory. Click on it. Click register service. Now next, we have to select standard. Then for region, you have to select Europe West 4. For you, it must be different. Next, we have to select create namespace. And then the namespace name should be this. Click create. It is done. Now for the service name, we can use example service. Remove the full stop from here. Then next we have to just click create. And after this, come back here. We have to click on this example service that we just created. Now we have to add an endpoint to it. The endpoint name should be example endpoint. Then you can paste it here. For the IP address, come back here, paste this. Port number we can enter 80 as given here. Then next we will come back and then we will just click create. And it is created. Come back here, click check my progress. Now after this, the task 2 is configuring a service directory DNS zone. So you have to select cloud DNS. Here it is. Then we have to click create zone, select private. Now next, you have to come back here. We'll give the zone name as example zone name as given here. Then for DNS name, we will give it this, copy this. Then next, for options, you have to select user servers directory namespace. Then under networks, we should use the default network here. Just remove it. Next, in the region, we have to select Europe West 4. Could be different for you. Now for namespace, we have to click on this example namespace. Network, select default, click OK, click done. click create. It is successfully created. Now click check my progress. And congratulations, this lab is complete. Now you can just simply end this lab. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.